What is the teslabot? The teslabot is a robotic welding device. Any manufacturing company that needs a more cost-effective production line can use teslabots. Teslabots can be used for tedious tasks, and they can be an effective tool for some businesses. They can perform simple tasks such as carrying boxes and watering plants with a watering can. Elon Musk introduced a concept for teslabot at the end of Tesla's 2021 AI Day last August. Teslabot is an electromechanically actuated, autonomous bipedal general-purpose humanoid robot. Musk suggested that a prototype of teslabot, also called Optimus, would be complete within the next year. Importance of Tesla robot. Optimus is also known as teslabot. It is a conceptual robotic humanoid made for doing unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks via AI, and it is a developing project that is still with limited available specifications. teslabot does not put off any harmful fumes or noise, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to conventional welding techniques. The teslabot has connectivity such as Wi-Fi and LTE. It has a humanoid design that will allow it to adapt easier to human society. Optimus is a humanoid prototype. It can work by first taking pieces of metal and using its powerful robotic arm to weld them together. Tesla robot does not need brakes or lunch breaks, and it can work 24/7 if required. teslabot can navigate independently using technology developed from Tesla's driver assistance system Full Self-Driving. The teslabot has a sleek shell design, and it is built using lightweight materials. teslabot is a bipedal humanoid robot that can perform dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. It can relieve humans of unsafe duties by offering manufacturing assistance through automation and logistics. teslabot will be a household robot, and it will help millions of people in picking up groceries, cooking, and caring for elderlies. Optimus can carry similar tools to Tesla cars. It can carry autopilot cameras, screen displays, and self-driving computers. It has 8 autopilot cameras in the head for sensing the environment. The face of the teslabot has an interactive screen allowing communication and information display, and this info display will be a replacement for speaking. The chest of Optimus will house the full self-driving FSD, powering teslabot's every move. Its operation under Tesla's full self-driving computer will power the Android. Optimus incorporates the same interface as current Tesla models. Some tools such as Tesla's developing advanced AI driver assistance system used in cars, multicam video neural networks, neural net planning, and auto-labeling. The teslabot has a localized chip available for remote updating, and to alleviate the fear of a dystopian situation, the teslabot can comply when instructed to stop whatever activity it is doing. Drawbacks of the Tesla robot. Optimus doesn't have the same skill as a human worker, so it can't perform the same tasks as a human worker, because the teslabot operates fast. If anything goes wrong with one of its moving parts, it could cause a long shutdown period for the entire production line. Optimus is missing a brain, and it doesn't have the intelligence to navigate the world by itself. It can't do as much as a human welder, and the teslabot can't match the versatility and speed of a human welder. It is confined to welding, and it can't fix any problems that arise. So, companies need to hire humans for jobs that require more skills than welding and repairing. These tasks such as setup, packing, and quality control. The teslabot comes with the upfront cost of purchasing. The price of the Tesla robot ranges from $30,000 to $40,000, which is a high investment for most companies looking at automation options. Optimus offers increased productivity and low production costs that could make up for the initial expense over time. Features of the teslabot. teslabot measures 5 feet 8 in. 173 centimeters, tall. The brain of Optimus is a Tesla AI chip. Its weight is 160 pounds, 73 kilograms. Its carrying capacity is 45 pounds, 20 kilograms. Hands are 11 degrees of freedom. Its speed is 5 miles per hour, 8 kilometers per hour. Its deadlift is 150 pounds, 68 kilograms. teslabot has 2-axis feet for balancing and feature force feedback sensing. It has an arm extend lift of 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, and it has 28 structural actuators. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.